It is time for food technology. Today we're going to be making frozen banana. Okay, so we need to take our banana and we just need half. So if you break off half, put a banana just like that. Okay, and then we can take a lollipop stick or a kebab stick. And if we just push the banana onto the little lollipop stick, just like that. And then you need to put it into the freezer for 15 minutes so that it's nice and cold. So here's one that's been in the freezer. Oh, it's very cold. Melted chocolate. Smells yummy. So we're going to take our frozen banana and we're going to roll it around in the melted chocolate. So make sure it gets nice and covered with chocolate. You might need to use your spoon just to help. So brush the chocolate to cover our banana. Oh, and you can see some of it starting to set already as it touches the cold banana. There we go. And for our topping, I'm going to use some Rice Krispies. Ooh, so nice and crispy, nice and crunchy. And you can use any type of cereal, or you could use some dried fruit or some nuts, whatever you like to eat. And you just roll it around to make sure it gets nice and covered. You can push some of it on to help. Okay, and there we go. Frozen, crispy, crunchy banana.